So here I am to explain my project wherein which we introduced a device which is helpful in current situation. So first let us talk about the issue we have. So the issue is many people dying of hunger under the lockdown, and where our aim is by using our application we pass information from people to the nearby police station or help centers. It can be any kind of information, like it may be like daily requirements or in emergency situations. So we brought up with an idea. Upon the lockdown announcement, people who live with daily wages, migrant laborers, and some people being homeless in red zone areas. So these people have no food and they're losing their lives. Though government is taking measures to help these people, but it's not reaching many of them. So by using our application where we set up a device for each street where the people can come up to the device and can give the information on their daily requirements or in during any emergency situations, then the device passes on the information to the area nearby police station and helping centers. So this device is helpful to serve the needy in the crisis. So now here is how it works. To overcome the problems that are being faced by the people during COVID-19 crisis, we have introduced a skillful system that comprises of a microphone, Arduino, solar panel with rechargeable battery, and transmitting antenna, receiving antenna. The role of microphone is to receive data, and that is connected to Arduino. The data is then transmitted to the Arduino. Once the power supply is given through solar panel, Arduino stores the data for future reference in SD card. Through transmitting antenna, info is transmitted and received to nearby police station or helping centers by receiving antenna. So here is the flow chart to explain our device in a diagrammatic way. And here is the source code which we implemented in Python language. We give input as a person's name, location, and his requirements. So the transmitting antenna takes the information and it passes the information to receiving antenna. So if the information in the transmitting antenna is double equal to the information in the receiving antenna, we print the message information reached, else we print the message sorry, try again. So here is its output. And now our hardware requirements are Arduino UNO at Mega 328 GB, microphone, solar panel, rechargeable battery, transmitting antenna, receiving antenna. And our software requirements are Arduino software, PyCharm, which is Python editor. Thank you.